na isuot ang mga basura sa bag. Keep all your things inside your bag. Mga notebook sa table. Nagpadawag sa notebook. Waterfalls. Now, welcome to our English class. Ready na ba mga kapatid? Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Let's have a review on our last topic. Last week, yes, Ray. Antonyms and synonyms. Synonyms. Okay, okay na rin si antonyms. Words na same of meaning. Now, who can give me an example of antonyms? Luhan. Big and small. How about synonyms? Yes, Ayesha. Clean and dirty. Synonyms. Clean and dirty. Also, si clean and si dirty. Antonyms. They are opposites. Okay. We have synonyms now. Synonyms. Yeah, sure. Okay, we have shot and close. Okay. So, nakita dyan naman naka-remember pa sa past lesson. So, karon, we are going to dive into our new topic, which is picture analysis. No, that's not a topic. Picture analysis. Waterfalls. Now, to formally start on the lesson, I have here an activity for you. Eyes on me. Eyes on you. Okay, again, I have here an activity for you. This is what we call picture analysis. So all you have to do is to observe the pictures that will be presented. Okay, first, kung sa inyo ang na-observe on that picture. Yes. Cinderella. Cinderella. Snow White. Okay, Snow White. Okay, isa na lang isa. Marcos with the eye. How do you address him? President. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Okay, it's not Bongbong Marcos, ha? Yung yagong president, yung tawag niya Bongbong Marcos na. Alright, okay, that's right. How about this picture? Yes. Okay. Si Spider-Man and si Senator Rodrigo Duterte. Karon, what have you observed with the picture? Kung sa man ang inyong nabagayan sa upat ka pictures na ako ang ipakita. Prince. Oh, si Spider-Man. Oh, si President. Si Mr. Rodrigo Duterte. Kung sa man ang inyong nabantayan. Do you have any observations? Wala na yung magkaon na sa sinata. Manain yung recess. Snow White. Oh, Snow White. Okay, now, I have a question. Tinuod ba na si Spider-Man? Do not answer in chorus. Raise your right hand. Yes, I can. Okay, Dili. Dili, tinuod si Spider-Man. How about si Snow White? Ashi? Dili sa tinuod si Snow White. How about si President Bongbong Marcos? Yes. Abby. Tinuod na naman si Abby na ko. Tinuod? Dili ka sure? Tinuod si Bongbong Marcos? Yes. President Bongbong Marcos? Yes or no? Yes. Is he real or not? Nakita ba natin siya? Yes. Okay, so President Bongbong Marcos is real. How about Mr. Rodrigo? Yes. Yes, Precious. Okay, so siya is real. Tinuod. Tinuod si President Bongbong Marcos and Mr. Rodrigo. Okay, now. So our lesson for today is entitled Real and Made Up. Again, can you read? Real and Made Up. Okay, so unsa man day na si real? Unsa man day ay si made up? Yes, do you have any idea what is real and what is made up? Right. Okay, ni Ana si Bryce, si real kuno is tinuod and si made up is dili tinuod. Is it true? Yes! Okay, we will find out later on. So first, okay, real. Mga panghitabo nga nahitabo na o mahitabo o posibleng mahitabo pa. Based na siya sa two events. Tinuod din siya nga mahitabo. Again, what is real? Japanese. Okay, real is tinuod nga mahitabo. Second, real are things exist and we can see, hear, feel, taste, or touch them. Okay, kato ganina sa atong pictures. Makita ba nato si Snow White? Makita ka si Snow White? Sit properly. Nagkaon pa galing ko, pati mo nagtarong ng info. Yan, tinuod, makita ba ito nato si Snow White? Yan nila. Makita siya, pero sa asara? Sa litara. How about si President Bongbong Marcos? Yes, Jay. Okay, makita din nato siya in reality. Now, real. It can happen in real life because it exists. So, si real kuno, mahitabo, Diyod, sa tinuod, kay nag-exist man ni siya. Tinuod, Diyod siya, nga mahitabo, 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 o mahitabo pa. Okay, now here. First, these are let's have Gideon. Please read. It's not New York, it's doctor. Waterfalls. Dr. Jose Rizal is a Filipino national hero. Tinuod na or dili? Tinuod. Is it real or made up? Real. Is it real na si Dr. Jose Rizal is a Filipino national hero? Real. Okay, so it is true that si Dr. Jose Rizal is a national hero. So buot pa sa buot, ang sa example number 1 is an example of yes, right. Real. Very good. How about this one? Laila is singing. Okay, Laila is singing. Yes, Tuhan. Okay, real. Tinuod ba nga makakita taong babay na magkanta? Real. Okay, it is real. Mahitabo. Diyon na siya sa tinuod na kinabuhi. Okay, again, Laila is singing. Is it real? real or made up? Real. How about this one? The president of the Philippines is President Ferdinand Marcos. Okay, is it real or made up? Ibuat-buat na ba na ako? Ang ako ang gisulat? Yes, Ray. Okay, it is real. Okay, kita mo na itong president karon. Si Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Okay, si President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. So again, kung saan natin na si real? Tinood. Okay, manangin na po in real life. These are texts that may happen or can happen in real life. Okay, how about this one? It's Honorable Aldo Fresco. Honorable Aldo Fresco. Again, our mayor is Honorable Aldo Fresco. Is it true or not? Is it real or made up? Is it real or made up? Yes, Sam. Okay, it is real. Isa man ang mayor sa linuan. Kailan mo sa ito ang mayor? Yes. Dua-dua sila. Yes. Not sure? Kailangan mo isa ito ang mayor? Yes. Isa? Si Joe Fresco. No, si Mr. Joe Fresco is our congressman. Ato ang mayor now is the Honorable Aldo Fresco. Okay, now let's talk about made up. So, kung naa si real, naapot si made up. Kung naay tinuod, naay tinuod or buhat-buhat lang. Okay, made up, also known as fiction. Fiction galing mo yung fiction, dili siya tinuod. Gibuhat-buhat ra siya. These are texts that cannot happen in real life. Kung may ngondang made up, mauli siya ang mga text or mga events na dili mahitabo in real life. So there's no possibilities na mahitabo ni siya in real life kahit buhat-buhat ra siya. Again, unsa si made up? Yes, Aishi. Okay, real made up, dili tinuod or buhat. Okay, made up are considered to have never happened at all. Wala dun sila exist, wala sila nahitabo. They are invented and written. Nora? Again, made up are invented and written. Ibuhat-buhat na siya. Ibuhat-buhat na siya, gisuwat-suwat na siya. Most especially, ang example din aming made up no kay kanang mga stories nga inyong natanaw or nabasahan. Isa may nakabasa mga stories diri. Okay, so mga stories inyong nabasahan. Yes, sure. Oh, mermaid. Si mermaid, wala pa na siya nag-exist. So that is an example of made up. Meaning, gibuhat-buhat pa siya sa writer, anak, ka story. It is when, okay, ano na-snap naman? Ito na-snap dito. Lami na i-snap picture. Snap again, waterfalls. Made up, it is when you pretend that something is true to real, even when it is not. When you made up, you have to pretend na tinuod na siya, bisan dili dyan na siya tinuod. Understand? Yes, teacher Gay. Again, what is the difference between real and made up? Difference between real and made up. Okay. Okay. Asa man ang tinuod ato? Si real or si made up? Okay, how about si made up? Stephanie. Okay. Si made up is Lily. Okay, now here is an example of a made up. diha wala mo alam baki handsome prince na siya. Natay na Lara. Again, the frog turned into a handsome prince. The princess kissed. Is it real or made up? Made up. Made up. Very good. Simula kay baki nga og imong kisan mahimong gwapo nga prince. Okay, so dili na siya. Okay, this one. The fairy godmother is a fairy with magical powers that can grant your wish in times of need. Tinuod ba ang fairy godmother? Yes. Okay, dili so. Wala mo exist na fairy godmother dira og nagkalisod ka sa imong exam. Naglisod ka sa imong exam. Alawin may tamor si fairy godmother kay para tabangan bilang answer. Natay mo abot ka fairy godmother. It is only made up. Buhat-buhat na jura siya. Kay para mas ma-interesting ang inyong videos or yung movies na nakita niyo. Sit properly. Lagi na lang mo diri ha. Later on, mas nagdili maka-answer, stand up. Dili mo lang so na how can I say so? Again, the fairy godmother is a fairy with magical powers and can grant your wish in times of need. It is real or made up? Made up. Made up. Do not answer chorus. Let's have yes. Okay, it is made up. How about this one? The genie has been achieved. Okay, the genie helped him achieve his dream. Is it real? Is it real or made up? Okay, made up. Ikuha-ikuha na siya. It doesn't exist. Alam, mag-ana-ana ang takuri ang magdakog ka na inay mo gawas na genie. May bumay kong mga anong girab-rab ninyo. Ano ang takuri? Mana, mo ba genie? Ito, tinutin naman na hitabo. Okay, so si genie is only made up. Hindi siya tinuod. How about this one? Batman saves the world. Okay, Batman saves the world. Let's have Ginny. Okay, it is made up. And ano bang made up siya? Why is it made up? Bright. Okay, it is just invented or written. Dili siya tinuod ay si Batman. Kaya makakita din kung Batman di hanang lupad-lupad. So dili tinuod si Batman noon. Dili siya sa tinuod na si Batman ang nag-save sa world. Si Batman kung lang nag-save sa world, tinuod? Okay, again, it is made up because it doesn't exist. Dili siya tinuod na nakita ko. Okay, now, let us try this one. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Right hand. Oh, Master, is it real or made up? Again? Louder. Magbahay. Gusto ba yung tingog? Kung mag-answer nila yung tingog. Okay, made up ko na si Master. Let's see. It's made up. Kaya nga nakakita mo in anak diha naglakaw-lakaw sa gawas? Kaya asarap na siya makitaan. Asarap siya nag-exist. How about this one? Zoe. Okay, is this real or made up? Okay, made up ko na Zoe. It is made up. Wala na siya sa tinuod nga, tinabuhi. Nanay mo, naglaakaw-lakaw, nag-save o mga tao. Wala. How about this one? Real. Do not answer it. Cardell. Okay, real. Because we can see an eagle na naglupad. Nakakita ba mong eagle or langgam na nalupad-lupad? Yes! Okay. So, meaning it is real because nakita mo yun siya in real life. How about this one? Let's have Chanel. Yes. Is it real or made up? Tinuod na ba siya nga nahitabo or dili siya tinuod na nahitabo? Okay. Niana si Chanel, real daw na siya. Is it correct? Yes! Okay, it is real. Tinuod na niya baka doctor ka natay mga sakit. Okay, now, let's have an activity. Okay, so now we will of names. Ang mapilian sa wheel of names, pick of number dili, then ang kaning gipapili ni teacher kay is maay mga questions. Quiet sa. Waterfall. Again, kaning akong gipapilit dili, nanin tayo mga questions. So, ang mapilian sa wheel of names is muduol sa tubangan, mupili mo ang number and basahon ang question. So, kailangan tayo tulong ang option mo. So, if mapilian, if mapilian si Martin, si Joshua, o si Madonna, kamay mo answer ha. Okay, kamay naging ko nila. Okay ra? Okay, let's start. Number 28. Madonna. Okay, simula ba si Madonna? Si Jared lang lang. Okay, basta ka. Okay, no, wait. Okay, yung hapon, isulti sa kuha if it is real or made up. Okay? When it rains, our surrounding is wet and slippery. Kung makuwan ko mo at ang karsada, ang paligid, kaya basta kung slide. Mother cannot hang clothes outside. Some children love to play under the rain. Is it real or made up? Real. Okay, Niana si Jared, it is real. Is it real? Yes. Basta agad? Yes. Okay, it is real. Very good thing. Okay. Next player. Again, waterfall. Maminaw kami precious. Kung sa ganito ngayon magkaya sa tubangan ay buhaton. Maminaw o maminaw. Okay, precious, read your question. Talks about true events. It talks about true events. Tinuod. Is it real or made up? Okay, Nana, the precious real ko no. Is it Patuloy ka para makatulog sila. Yeah, again. Ang napilian ni Amber is question number 8. Once upon a time, there was a hen that laid golden eggs. Naakulay manok, mga mangitlog o gold na itlog. It laid golden eggs every day. Pag-aadlaw ko siya mangitlog o gold. The owner wanted all the eggs at once. So he killed the hen and no golden eggs found. Is it real or made up? Okay, Niana, si Amber, it is made up. Okay, mo si ay na ay manok na nangitlog o gold? No. Kung mauna, magbuhin na lang ang manok tanan. Kung mangitlog siya o gold. Okay, still have 5. Okay, let's start singing. 17 less. Ipasa niyo sa question. Make your voice louder for us to open the please. Make your voice louder. Okay, so simple na mapili yung question. 1. So, ang basa ko para ninyo. The fisherman saw a mermaid in the middle of the sea. So, ang fisherman nakakita siya sa mermaid sa dagat. A very beautiful woman with a long hair. Is it real or made up? Made up. Okay, it is made up. Okay, nag-exist the ice mermaid? Really? Not mermaid in real life? Yeah. Wow. We don't know. Okay, last 4. 24. Last 4. Okay, listen to Shanteya. These are texts that cannot happen in real life. Cannot happen in real life. Is it real or made up? Cannot happen in real life. Cannot feeling mahitabo sa tinud. Real or made up? Okay, it is made up. Next spelling of cannot happen in real life. That is what we call made up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. These are texts that happen or may happen in real life. Texts that happen or may happen Last two. Make your voice louder. I miss going to school. I miss my teacher. I miss my classmates and friends. When this pandemic will be over, I will be happy to see them all. Is it real or made up? Okay, it is real. Okay, ng pandemic tadikan wala. Okay, ng multiple classes mo wala. Okay, so this question is made up. Yang one. Ang maswerte, mananao. Ay, naku. Ang maswerte, mananao. Ako. 1 questions ha. Just dito sa number 1. Magsuwat dayon Rachel na dili maawaki. Dili magtabi ha. Para ano mana ang recess. Start answering. Yeah, ibutang lang sa tawid. Dili maglumbaan na yung hati para sakto inyong answer. Maglumbaan na yung isi una mambat and then inyong answers nagkabali-bali na. Take it slowly but surely. Bahalag kung kayo mahuman o hinay, basta sakto ang answer. Wala man tanang pinaspasay dire. Teacher. Sorry. Masih kayong agi laban. Masih ka agi laban. Laban sa ilang na. Hindi ba kailan?